Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2024 Lincoln Aviator. Here's a sleek and sophisticated Lincoln Aviator, the luxury midsize SUV that's configured for comfort and convenience. High on tech, low on stress, this thoughtfully stylish and versatile vehicle is poised to elevate your daily drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, power liftgate, premium sound system, satellite radio, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, power passenger seat, alarm, heated front seat, dual zone AC. Enjoy the sensation of relaxation when you explore your world from the comfort of this well-appointed Aviator. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.